Want to create your own Netflix-style website, Netflix-style membership, or Netflix-style video subscription service? This video will show you exactly how you can use one tool to start your video streaming business that looks just like Netflix. Doing this requires no coding experience, no technical skills, and you can be done by anyone. This is perfect for video-heavy online business owners, such as fitness professionals, yoga instructor, soccer trainers, chefs, painters, and any other expert in a niche that requires demonstrating and showcasing your skills and teaching through video. You may be tempted to try and use WordPress to set something like that up. However, realize that it's going to require you using different plugins for payment integrations, external video hosting, and other things like that, which are gonna chew into your time and probably going to end up costing you more anyway than what this software is going to cost you. So with that said, let me introduce to you this software tool, give you a full review tour of the whole platform, and also at the end, you'll find out how you can get my help one-on-one to get started on setting up your Netflix-style video subscription service for free one-on-one with me on Zoom. With that said, let's get started. Hey, it's Eran here. I wanted to do a tutorial/video review on a software called Uscreen.tv, which is a software to be able to set up membership sites, which is a little bit like Netflix style. So if you're a fitness professional or yoga instructor, or you got some sort of a training that you need to provide through video content, this is a good platform for you to check out. Now, when you go to the website, you can also look at different examples that they have of different people using it: arts and crafts, entertainment, faith, spirituality, e-learning, yoga, lifestyle. And what I suggest is you actually go through and look at the different examples. One website that I did look here, which you can actually check out, because a lot of those are paid, so you won't be able to actually get the inside and the look and feel of what a website looks like. But if you go to entertainment and you go to National Comedy Center, you'll actually be able to see the website as it is, because this particular website is actually free. So you can click on visit website and you can get an example of what it actually looks like once you are signed up for the platform of Uscreen. So that's what they're using, which is really good. And you see, this is very much Netflix style. So you can watch the video, add to favorites, you can share it to your social media, get a little about, you can categorize it, you can autoplay it so it moves to the next video, the next video, the next video. Here they go by donations, and there's related videos based on that. So you could see they've got different comedies and stuff like that. So definitely recommended for you to check this out, just because it gives you an idea of what your website could look like. Now, in terms of their pricing, I think it's an important aspect to consider. So they've got annual pricing and then monthly pricing. You see, this is distinctly different. So if you pay month to month, it's $99 a month. If you pay yearly, it's $49 a month. Now, this is really important to know, because if you're going to pay $99 a month, it's probably like it's double the price. So I would recommend you pay annual. Now, have a look here. There's another aspect, which I'm not a huge fan on, but considering this is a video-based software, it is understandable. They're charging 50 cents per subscriber. So therefore, every person that is actually a member of your membership, you're going to pay 50 cents to Uscreen. So you need to be aware of that and factor that into your pricing. If you could click on the view full feature list, you'll see all the details of what you actually get. And you pretty much get everything you need on the basic plan. So there's really no reason to go with the higher plan. And the difference is, here you've got 3,000 minutes. Here you got 7,500 minutes. And here you've got over that. So the storage is actually plenty. So you have plenty of room to grow, and it's not a problem to go with your basic plan. Here, there is a little bit of things which are missing. So for example, you don't have Zapier integration. You don't have other integrations as well. So this is a limiting factor. But I'll show you in a second. The software actually has pretty much everything you need all in-house. So you don't really need that many integration anyway. So that's that. Now, there is another aspect you need to consider on the pricing is, have a look here. One-time sales fee, one-time transaction fee charged on a single transaction sale, such as a rental, or one-time sale excluding subscriptions. So basically, there is two ways to sell on Uscreen. Number one, you could sell subscription, or you can sell an individual video as a one-time payment, or you rent it out. So you pay 5% on every one of those purchases. If you sell a video for, say, $10, you will pay 50 cents on that as well per video. And the same thing goes with the rental. Now, what is this rental thing? Let me take you through all that detail so you can have a look. By the way, the bigger difference here on the Amplify plan, you see this is distinctly different. This is because this gives you mobile apps and ability to publish in the different apps that are available, such as Amazon and stuff like that. There's a whole bunch of them. I'll show it to you in a second. So you see on this page, if you go to Uscreen.tv OTT-platform, you'll see you can click on here and then just click on this button. It will take you to this page, and you'll see that you can actually upload or have your own app where your content and your membership is available on Android, Apple TV, Roku, Fire TV, Android TV, and so on. So this is really where this platform is different. And it's different from other websites like Kajabi and so on. So this is where you get the biggest value. Whereas if you're just going to go with the basic plan, you just don't get that particular feature, which really for typical solopreneurs, which is typically the audience that I serve, it's not really a big deal because you don't really care about being on those platforms. And you simply want to have a place to host your membership. Now, while I've shown you what's on the existing website, I did sign up for a free trial myself to be able to show you a little bit of the back end as well. So first of all, you see here I added some videos and I'm going to click on Start Customizing. Now, if you want to learn more about it, you simply click on Learn More and it will actually open the support document. They've got a lot of support documents. They've got a rich YouTube channel as well, so you can definitely check all that out. Now, when you click on Start Customizing, you'll see that you can customize how the videos look. You've got different themes of the look and feel of the website, and you can actually play around with how the whole thing looks. Now, in terms of the content, you basically upload one video at a time. Now, I'll show you an example of a video. So I uploaded this particular video, and I'm going to click on Edit. Once I have the video uploaded, there is the video title. There is the full description of the video and the page, which is similar to what you see right here. And then you'll see that you could say a short description as well. So this is what will appear on a featured category or a slider and so on. You can click on Allow Downloading if you want to allow for people to download. You can upload subtitles. So if you want to have subtitles to your videos, you could do that. Now, the next thing is on the appearance of the video. So you can obviously have a thumbnail of some sort and a thumbnail specifically different for the catalog. You can also have a trailer video. You can upload the author, as in who is the content creator of this particular video, and so on. And then here on pricing, you've got the different options, which are really good. First of all, you can make it free, which is similar to what you see in the Comedy Central thing. And then you can require access. So on here, you can create different plans. So basically, this video is accessible to all people who are on the subscription. So you can say which plan get access. And then you can also say you allow people to buy as a one-time purchase. So let's say you want to let people buy it for $5, or let's say $10, they can have access for life. Or you can rent it out. So you can rent it out for, say, $3, and people get access for 2 days or whatever it is. So this is really good because you can actually rent out training videos if you want to do it that way. There's not a lot of solopreneurs doing this online these days, and this could be a good thing to explore as an option. So that's something that's really possible. You also have other aspects like SEO description, adding tags. So that's all possible as well. You can explore other things here as well and see how that all works. If I was to click on video preview, you'll see that the video has been uploaded, and this is how it actually loads and everything. Okay. Now, let's go to the people section. This is where you simply have your customers, basically. And you obviously can upload a CSV. You can also invite people individually one by one. They'll automatically get their email and their password and so on. The next thing I want to show you is the subscription. So this place, you can actually set up the different subscription plans. Here, I really like having this MRR, monthly recurring revenue, where it actually shows you what is your numbers and your metrics and your growth and all that. Again, you have at the bottom, you always have support documents here, so you can click on read the guide. You can actually click on take the tour, and it will actually show you different things as well. And you can also watch a video where it will explain how the whole thing works, which is excellent.
We've broken down.
Okay, so that's that. This is the instructions on how the MRR works and so on. Now, on the subscriptions, you can have unlimited subscriptions for what I've seen on the pricing. So you simply create a plan, give it a name this plan, give it a title, give it an image, put the amount. If it's 1 month or per quarter or per 6 months or an annual plan, you can give it a few trial days and hover over the question mark. It will tell you customers will get access to all the content included in the subscription and can cancel without getting charged during their trial period. You can make the availability private, so you can only send it through a direct link, or available to all visitors. So that's something you can do if you want to have a subscription plan that's VIP or by invitation only or something along these lines. Additionally, you can set up bundles. So you can give people option for rental or a freebie or a fixed price for specific videos as well. Obviously, I don't have my Stripe connected, so I can't create a bundle, but that can be done. On the sales, you can see the invoice, monthly reports, coupons, and stuff like that. Let's just have a look here. If you click on the monthly sales reports, you can see all the details. So there's a lot of analytics and so on. In the marketing section, you've got different features which are really good. Now, let me show you this one. So this one is called Try Again for Free. And this is all about win back canceled subscribers with another free trial. I love this particular option. You can basically set up an automation where you are giving somebody another free trial. So anybody that has been part of your membership previously, you could say, hey, come and get an extra 7-day trial totally free of charge and so on. You could choose which plan you want to give them. It sends them an email, and you can actually follow up with a second email as well. This is a great little feature. They've got other things here, for example, abandoned cart. So you can set up an automation. So if somebody enters their email, and doesn't actually buy, you can give them a specific discount. Let's say you want to give them 10%. Hey, I noticed that you're on the checkout or whatever, and please finish your order right now and claim your discount. So this is another great way to win back business that you might have lost because they abandoned the cart for whatever reason. And so on. There's other features here that you can definitely explore. You can see here that they've got creating sales funnel to turn leads to subscribers, and this is in beta. So, their funnel functionality is still not amazing, but they definitely have different things being added. An example of a limitation you have here is you see that you've got step 1, first email, step 2, second email, and third email. Now, if I want to do a fourth email, I don't have that option to do that. So I'm sure that this is something they're looking into adding and stuff like that. But you can see this is not like a great funnel software. It's much more a membership video platform. So if you have you're very heavy on video, this is a great place to check out your stuff. The customer that I'm actually was checking this out for and potentially setting them up is a soccer trainer. So therefore, this is something that's really relevant. It's very visual, very video based and stuff like that. This is why this is be a good platform for them. There's other things along these lines here. You can definitely sign up for a free trial. It does require a credit card, so you will need to enter your credit card to actually test it out for 14 days. I'm about to cancel my test trial, but I did want to do a quick tutorial to show you the inside to see how it all works. There's a lot of really good features here that I think makes this platform an extremely user-friendly platform, very easy to use. And I definitely recommend, if you're in this particular niche where you have a lot of, your business has a lot of video-heavy content, this is definitely worth checking out. If you were to use the link in this description, this is my affiliate link to sign up. Just so you know, you should send me an email to contact@eranbukai.com to let me know you've created a free account with Uscreen. Let me know your name. Let me know your email that you used to sign up for a free account with Uscreen, and we will schedule a time to speak on the phone for an hour on Zoom, and I will personally help you set up your website on Uscreen as well. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment for me below. And if you're going to sign up for a free trial, definitely let me know by email and leave a comment below as well. Do both, and I will make sure I get on Zoom and actually help you get over any technical or tech hurdle and get this website set up for you as well. That's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll speak to you soon.